Alright, so the alternator has arrived. Just got this in the mail. I think this alternator seems to be pretty good quality built. But before I get into that, guys, I got the paper right here. And this was included in the box. It says computer tested alternator. I guess they had it tested on the computer. It's 130 amp. Maximum output power, maximum output under full load, voltage regular set point, 14.65 volts, voltage regulator, load response control, ripple current. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool they added this information with it. I'm going to take this out the box and I'll bring you guys right back. Alright, so here's a new alternator. The model number and stuff. Everything seems to be correct. Same as the old one. You can put a new screw on here. Sweet. Now I just gotta go get my tools. Be right back. Alright everybody, welcome back. So got the wire, the alternator all in, buttoned up. Everything's looking good. I made sure the belt was on. Everything was tightened. So the last thing to do is fire it up. We'll check the voltage. See what it's putting out. I haven't started this car in quite some time. Let's see if it has enough juice to start. Ooh, it's pretty low. Let's see if it'll start. Bring you guys along for the ride. Got a new camshaft sensor, crankshaft sensor. There's no reason why this baby shouldn't fire up. Fired up. Fire right up. Now let's check the voltage. It wasn't doing that before. It was at 12.7. I'm pushing 14 volts. I'm gonna let the car run for a little bit because I need to recharge the battery. I want to get the juices hot and flowing. You good, bro? She's charging. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright guys, that's going to do it. Alternator seems to be charging. Good voltage. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. And I'm gonna be getting started on this one tomorrow. I'm gonna be changing out those the crankshaft and cam sensors on this one. And then, well, this one, I gotta change the ABS sensor on this tire right here. And I had that ball joint busted out on me. Still gotta do the rear brake pads. So I gotta get that going for this soon. But she started right up. She did good. Peace.